Welcome to AI Workflows, your daily hub for discovering new AI tools and automation tricks that save you time and boost productivity. In this video, I'm revealing 5 free AI websites that most people don't even know about, and yet they can completely transform your daily workflow in 2025. Let's jump straight in. Number 1. Taskade AI. Taskade is your smart productivity assistant that helps you organize, plan, and brainstorm ideas using AI. You can create task lists, project outlines, and meeting notes, and Taskade's AI will automatically format and structure everything for you. It's perfect for freelancers, students, or teams who want to plan projects visually without wasting hours. Number 2. Rewind AI. This one is mind-blowing. Rewind AI records everything that happens on your computer, your meetings, your searches, even what you read online, and makes it searchable with the AI. It's like having a time machine for your digital life. Just type what you remember, and Rewind finds it instantly. Number 3. Durable AI. Durable lets you create a fully working business website in less than 30 seconds, just by typing what your business does. The AI designs everything: layout, colors, text, and images, all automatically. Number 5. ElevenLabs Voice AI. ElevenLabs allows you to clone voices, narrate videos, or generate professional quality speech for any project. You can use it for YouTube, podcasts, or social media, and the voices sound incredibly real. Just type your script, and ElevenLabs will speak it naturally for you. Perfect for creators who want studio-level audio without recording anything. And that's it. 5 free AI websites that can do your work faster, smarter, and better in 2025. If you found one that impressed you, tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more daily AI. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video.